Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 2 of Geography, in which we are studying about interior structure of the earth. Dear students, in previous module we have discussed about layers of earth, and in this module we shall study about rocks and minerals. Dear students, the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Dear students, rocks can be solid and hard like granite and marble, or soft and loose like clay, chalk, and salt. Rocks can be of different color, size, and texture. On the basis of their formation, rocks are classified into three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So let's discuss all types of rocks one by one. Igneous rocks. The term igneous is derived from a Latin word ignis, which means fire. So when the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. Dear students, they are also called primary rocks since they were the first to be formed. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks. Dear students, lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Next is intrusive igneous rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste, powder of spices, and grains are made up of granite. Extrusive igneous rocks cool quickly, and as a result these rocks are fine grained or has lack of crystal growth, while intrusive igneous rocks are formed from magma that cools slowly, and as a result these rocks are coarse grained. Next is sedimentary rocks. Dear student, rocks roll down, crack, and heat each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Next is metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone changes into marble. So dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.